How to fix failed to load onlinefix64.dll from the list. Error code 126 in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow these tips. First of all, uninstall and reinstall the game or app in which you are getting the issue. To uninstall, right click on Start, select Installed Apps. Suppose this game is creating the issue, then click on three dots, click on Uninstall and select Uninstall on the pop-up. Click on Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the uninstallation. Go to the browser or client app and install the game again. Restore the onlinefix64.dll file. Click on Search, type Security. Click on Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on the Protection History link. Check here if onlinefix64.dll is showing. You can check the file in the quarantined items section or blocked item section. If the file is blocked, unblock it. If the file is quarantined, restore it. The third method is replace the onlinefix64.dll file manually. You can get this file from your another computer or download it from internet. We are giving a link to onlinefix64.dll. You can download it from there and then replace the file with the downloaded file. Run system files checker. The next method, click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, type sfc space / scannow. Keep in mind that here is double N, SCANNOW. Press enter. Wait until it is 100% completed. Then run this command. The command is given in the description. Once completed, close the command prompt, close other running programs and restart your computer. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.